guys. So what we're gonna do here today is I'm gonna try to be able to do some fishing today. Haven't had a whole lot of luck as far as being able to get out here, be able to enjoy the water and stuff. So we're gonna try to see what we can do as far as with being able to catch us some fish today. Got a real bad storm coming in, which I'm sure you can probably see right in the sky and stuff. Wind's blowing pretty good. Having to keep the trolling motor, having to move it up right now to 3 to try to get us moving and stuff. And we're gonna try to catch some fish. Sorry about the wind noise. It's just one of them ordeals. It is what it is. Do our best as far as being able to catch some fish. Get some before the rain comes, so I can get this thing back on the water, and that way I don't mess up my camera. But we can do here. Just bear with me. I'm gonna try to muffle as much of this wind noise as I can. This wind is kicking right now, so I'm hoping to be able to get something going. I've seen a bunch of them already biting over here on this bank side over here, so hopefully we'll be able to get some to hit and be able to get some on film, so that way I can get y'all a video posted. So we're gonna try it and see how we can do. Worst thing is, even if we don't catch nothing, we're out on the water. Not worse. So, be able to get y'all some footage. A bad day on the water is better than a good day at work. So. We're gonna see what we can do here. I have a feeling this wind's gonna be pushing us down these bank sides and stuff pretty fast up until I can get into one of these coves, which is just right up there. I'm actually coming back to this one. I was trying to get everything set up and everything ready to roll. Beforehand, I grab my little chair. Where I don't fall. Hopefully be able to get on some fish here. We're gonna try them out and see what we can do here. What I'm using right here is just a basic crawl bug with a bullhead sinker. Hoping they're pulling up. Like I said, I've seen a bunch of them jumping over here on the bank, so I'm hoping that they're pulling up good enough to be able to get us some bites here, so we're gonna try it. Oh, I got him. There we go, boys. Oh, he threw my worm. Stop it. Got him good too. Let some slack out here. Alrighty. Here we are, boys. Got my first one. We're gonna take and test out this super duper live well here. So take and open it up where hopefully we can be able to let me see here. There we go. We got water coming in now, boys. We're gonna let's see if I can be able to reuse this worm. Figures. Last one that I've got. And they're gonna tear it up. Make it to where I can't even use it no more, probably. So we're gonna try to take it and loop it around here on the back side. So I was telling you, boys, you gotta have that fluorocarbon. You gotta believe in that. That one right there, they just that tickler fish right there. If he'd have saw my line, I doubt very seriously he'd have hit that. Over and cover. I mean, that's where they're at. That's where they're staying. Every now and then, I mean, it sucks. You're gonna lose lures and stuff like that by pitching it over in the cover. But I mean, if it's what they want and you want to catch fish, that's what you got to do. I mean, it's one of them more deals that you don't. It's just kind of hard to, to go against them. Whenever they're in cover and you're out here fishing, I mean, and you want to catch fish, it's going to be one of them door deals. You got to make a decision. You want to lose a few lures to catch a fish, or would you much rather just let the fish, stay there? I mean, you got to just one of them decisions you just got to make. I mean, me personally, I'm willing to sacrifice a couple rubber baits and stuff to be able to catch me some fish, and that's more or less what I want to do. I mean, I can't stress that enough. I mean, you got to be willing to lose a few lures. Trying to muffle this wind out and stuff. I hope it's not. Oh, got another one. Here we are, boys. That's what I was telling y'all. You got to stay true. Got to stay true to the lures. Once you figure them out, keep them going. bringing it up out of cover, just slowly working it back. I mean, you're gonna catch fish. Stop it. And anytime you're using a worm hook or anything like that, that can be easily thrown, always watch yourself. I don't know how many people I've seen that's took and went to go try to get a hook out of a fish, and the fish end up throwing it right up into their hands. And especially when you're out by yourself. All right, guys. Well, I had to get off the water. Starting to rain a little bit. I'm gonna have to be able to get the camera switched over to the case that it needs to be on. So hopefully, be able to come back out here again another day. Hopefully, we'll still be on the same pattern, and be able to come out here on a day where it's nice and warm. And I ain't really got to worry about nothing as far as the weather or anything like that. But the good thing about it is, though, we did catch two. I did weigh them. It was raining there pretty good there for a second whenever I was weighing them, so I wasn't able to put that on film. But one of them was a little over a pound, and the other one was just under a pound. I do have them saved to my fish scale, so hopefully we'll be able to come back out here another day whenever it's not going to be as bad and be able to catch some.